Welcome back to the channel, guys. That was the first on this channel. We did a bike ride of a hiking trail, might call it a biking trail, coast to crest. I put out a different video this same week, the same day, that is the hiking trail of coast to crest. This is the biking video. This is meant to give you a much better perspective on the whole trail as a whole if you want to bike this. I will say this is a beginner to intermediate. I don't know much about mountain biking, but there were some parts of this trail where I had the fear of death hit me a little bit. Just some rare big rocks, and you had to really know how to navigate the trail a little bit. For the most part, it's fine, but there were some sections where you may want to get off as I did and take a walk. I won't drag out this video. If you care about the hiking trail, care about coast to crest, Lake Hodges, that trail video is up now. Make sure you check it out, and it'll be linked at the end of this video. This was the biking trail, give you perspective on the whole trail. Notice when it ends, there isn't like a clear marker because this is part of a larger coast to crest kind of multiple trail community of sorts. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more, and I'll see you guys soon.